I am making my Valentine's Day card for my Valentine, and I cut this from a painting that I did, and I have a few more that I picked out that I might layer on. I'm thinking I might just layer maybe this one because I think they kind of go together. Maybe this one and this one. We'll see. I don't know if I should do 2 or 3. This kind of looks good, and I like this. I might glue it on first. I've just got this sort of glue. Dang it. Alright. It's just gonna be like this, I guess. And I'm just gonna like spread it around. Yep, I'm just spreading the glue. Deacon's watching and helping Mommy. Oops, that's a little low. There we go. Perfect. And then now it'll be easier for me to cut around because I'll kind of have a shape to follow, more or less. Now let's make this. This is huge. Of course it has to be massive because it's me. Like one time I went to Disneyland with my friends in college, and I took a picture and I uploaded it on Facebook or sent it to my mom or something, and she was like, "The big bow for you," because I've always loved big bows and big everything. People used to always tell me I was so extra, and I was like, no such thing. My helper, he's helping the glue to stick down on the sides. Maybe I should kind of like that. It's looking good in my humble opinion. Then I can do another one like in here, or should I do 2? I think I want to do another one, but I think I want to use this part here. And I kind of wanted to do like different heart shapes, so I don't know, we'll see how that goes. Need to level it out a little bit. I feel like this is not totally. Okay, then I can put this on here like this. Is that too much? They're all like kind of differently shaped. And then I can write something on here. Okay, let's do it. Where'd my glue go? You helping me, Deacon? Thank you. hopefully that's not like noticeable. Or should I take it off or cover it again? I don't know what to do with that. I hate when that happens. Oh well. Okay, this is what I've got right now. Do you like it? So here's my Valentine. I might let it dry and then I might write on it. I don't know. I almost want to put another one around it. Not be too much or inside of it. I think 3 is a good 3. Okay, I cut out a photo of us and pasted it on too. And I covered everything in glue actually just to kind of seal it. Okay, show and tell. Valentine's reveal. This is the Valentine that I made, and I used the acrylic on paper paintings that I had to cut 3 different size shaped hearts, and they're kind of different shapes as well, and I kind of wanted to do that. And then I also printed a photo, and it kind of came out with like an orange sheen because my printer's running out of ink, but I kind of liked it because I felt like it kind of matched the actual Valentine card. And then I just put I love you so much with a Sharpie, and then I just put to our love Elise. Happy Valentine's everyone, love you all.